There are mainly three different ways in which a restaurant deals with their customer in terms of making bill. Dine-in, takeaway and delivery. Right here we have all the three options. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the customer who comes in for dine-in. Being touchscreen friendly, you can either touch this button or press F5 or click from your mouse to enter inside it. As soon as you click on Dine In, you enter the table dashboard window. Inside this, first you need to select the hall preference. AC hall or non-AC hall. You may have plenty of more. Here I am going to select AC hall. Then the next step is to select the table where your customer has been seated. Suppose I select table number 5 with 2 people, available, non-smoking zone. These are the details that have been filled previously. You can click on it and then right click to see the available options that you can perform with this table: occupy, unavailable, delete, reserve, merge table with single KOT, merge table with separate KOT. Or else, if the customer has already placed the order, you can directly click on the table and click on this Create Invoice button. Click on this and you reach the billing window. Here we have the pictorial billing window. You can select the items one by one that the customer has placed order, and then we have two options from here. Either we can put this invoice on hold or we can directly put it to await payment. The difference between hold invoice and awaiting payment is that if you put an invoice on hold, it will allow you to add more items to it. But if you directly go to awaiting payment, then you have to directly take money from the customer when they leave. For now, I will show you both one by one. We will put the invoice on hold first, and then you reach the table dashboard window again for making another bills. For now, we are going to close this. Here is the order that we have just taken. Order has been placed. The status of the invoice is held. Now what we can do is, we can click on Pick Held Invoice right above here and we can add more items to this. Click on it and it gives a information. Do you want to pick the held invoice? We will click on Yes. You enter inside the billing screen again. If you want, you can add more items to it as per the customer's demand. And then I'll show you what happens when you put it on awaiting payment. From this window, you can directly also go to Express Pay or Pay Now. But I'm going to show you, if you put an invoice on await payment, what are the options. Click on awaiting payment. Here is the order with awaiting payment as its status. Now what we can do is, as the invoice is already selected, we will click on awaiting payment. It opens to the receive payment window. Now we have plenty of options from which you can take money from your customer. For now, I am leaving it as cash. We will take the money and then we can either save and print invoice or directly save invoice. I'll click on Save Invoice, and thus the invoice has been made. This is how you can make invoice using the Dine In button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.